What's the biggest problem with most AI app builders today? You type a prompt, it builds a gorgeous full-stack app, and then you're trapped. You can't export the code, you can't use your own CI/CD pipeline, and you're stuck paying their premium hosting fees forever. Not anymore. In 2026, the absolute gold standard for AI development is vibe coding with full ownership. That means generating an app using natural language, having it auto-sync straight to your GitHub or GitLab, and automatically triggering a deployment to Vercel or Netlify. Complete freedom. No vendor lock-in. Today, we are breaking down the 7 best AI app and website builders that do exactly that. Let's jump in.
V0 by Vercel, the front-end king. First up, we have to talk about the home team, V0 by Vercel. If you are looking for the absolute cleanest front-end UI generation on the planet, this is it. V0 uses Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and ShadCN UI to spit out production-ready code. Because it's built by Vercel, the integration is seamless. You can chat with V0, tweak your components, and with a single click, open it as a pull request in your GitHub repo, or ship it straight to production on Vercel. It is the ultimate tool for developers who want to skip the boilerplate design phase.
2. Bolt.new, the full-stack application with a real backend and database. Enter Bolt.new by StackBlitz. Bolt runs an entire web containers environment right in your browser. It doesn't just write code, it installs NPM packages, runs servers, and runs live previews. When you're happy with your full-stack MVP, Bolt lets you hook up your GitHub account instantly. It creates the repo for you, pushes the code, and because it outputs standard Vite/React or Next.js projects, it hooks up beautifully to a Netlify or Vercel auto-deploy hook. Absolute game changer for rapid prototyping.
3. Lovable, the MVP machine. Next on the list is lovable.dev. Lovable has taken the indie hacker community by storm because it focuses heavily on building full-stack MVPs that you actually own. It pairs beautifully with Supabase for back-end data handling. Lovable's standout feature is its robust GitHub sync. It doesn't just do a one-time export, it commits your changes seamlessly. From there, your Netlify or Vercel dashboard picks up the repository changes and deploys the updates live in seconds. If you hate vendor lock-in, Lovable is a must-try.
4. Replit Agent, the autonomous heavyweight. If you want an AI that acts like a true autonomous developer, you need to use Replit and its legendary Replit Agent. Unlike simple UI builders, Replit Agent spins up full-stack software, configures PostgreSQL databases, and handles complex back-end logic. Replit has its own cloud hosting, but because it's a full-fledged IDE, it natively supports Git. You can sync your workspace with GitHub or GitLab, allowing you to bypass Replit's internal hosting and route your production builds straight to Vercel or Netlify for global edge deployment.
5. Base44, the dynamic app builder. Coming in at number 5 is Base44. Base44 is designed to turn your plain English instructions into highly functional business apps, back-office tools, and customer portals. It handles design, user authentication, and data structures right out of the box. While Base44 offers built-in hosting, they rolled out a massive native GitHub integration. This means your generated code can be pushed directly to your corporate GitHub or GitLab organization, enabling your dev team to peer review the AI's work and host the static components directly on Netlify or Vercel.
6. Floot, the SEO and production-ready builder. Number 6 is Floot. A lot of AI builders create applications that are completely invisible to search engines. Floot fixes this by focusing heavily on production-ready, highly optimized, and SEO-friendly sites and web apps. Floot gives you a gorgeous visual editor to tweak what the AI builds, but under the hood, it's all clean, exportable code. You can link your Git provider, sync the repository, and deploy it to Netlify or Vercel to take advantage of their lightning-fast global CDNs.
7. Emergent, the enterprise-grade AI agent inveterate. Rounding out our list at number 7 is Emergent. This is arguably one of the most advanced AI coding platforms on the market right now. Emergent drops you into a browser-based VS Code environment where its AI agents write, test, and self-correct full-stack applications using cutting-edge LLMs. What makes Emergent incredible is its complete rejection of vendor lock-in. It features a brilliant one-click save to GitHub pipeline. Because it generates clean standard framework code like Next.js or Vite, you can immediately pipe it into Vercel or Netlify for robust, scalable production hosting.
Quick summary. Which should you choose? V0 by Vercel is best for front-end UI and component design, and the main deployment flow? Native Vercel GitHub PRs. Bolt.new is best for rapid full-stack web sandboxing, and the main deployment flow? GitHub sync to Netlify Vercel. Lovable is best for full-stack MVPs with clean code, and the main deployment flow? Two-way Git sync to Vercel Netlify. Replit is best for autonomous software and complex logic, and the main deployment flow? Full IDE to GitHub GitLab to Edge. Base 44 is best for internal tools and business dashboards, and the main deployment flow? GitHub export to CI/CD pipeline. Floot is best for blazing fast, SEO-optimized sites, and the main deployment flow? Git integration to Netlify Vercel CDN. Emergent is best for pro-level code control and AI agents, and the main deployment flow? Browser VS Code to GitHub to anywhere. The era of being locked into a proprietary web builder is officially over. Whether you want the flawless front-end components of V0, the full-stack freedom of Bolt and Lovable, or the autonomous power of Emergent, you can now build with AI without sacrificing code ownership. I've left links to all 7 tools in the description below. Drop a comment and let me know. Which one of these are you going to use for your next side project? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cutting-edge AI development tools. See you in the next one.